On August 23, 2023, Zimbabwe held its general elections. These elections were marred by allegations of fraud and malpractice. SADC, along with several independent observer missions, were quick to call out the irregularities. SADC, a regional bloc, took these allegations seriously. Zambia, Namibia and Tanzania, the members of the SADC organ Troika, convened an extraordinary summit to address the issue. They officially accepted the SADC Electoral Observer Mission's preliminary statement, signalling their disapproval of how the elections were conducted. Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema didn't mince words. He critiqued Zimbabwe's authorities and demanded a formal response from the Zimbabwean government, which, by the way, has remained silent. This silence raises a crucial question. Can SADC enforce its rules and uphold democracy in the region? The stakes are high. The credibility and stability of the entire SADC region are on the line. In the meantime, opposition groups are not standing still. They have engaged with senior officials from South Africa and other SADC countries. Frankly, they are amplifying their voices wherever they can. Will SADC step up and resolve this electoral crisis? Or will the SEOM report gather dust on a shelf? The future of democracy in Southern Africa might just hinge on the answer. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story. Thanks for watching.